Hey guys, we're going to try another experiment tonight. Real quick video. Going to stick 2 quarters to the bottom of this and see if we can punch a hole in it. Tape it on. Okay. And let's go set it up. Okay. Alright everybody, we're going to try this to fire this nail up through the 2 quarters and I guess through this piece of 1/2-inch plywood. Got 30 pounds on top of it. Got a blow shield in case something comes flying back at me. Kind of hoping it doesn't. But we're going to go at 1,000 volts and give it all the beans in one shot here. So we're still in line, ready to go. Here we go. 500, 8,000. That looked pretty good. Yep, right through the quarters. Let me pound that nail out. I guess some people would say what a waste of 50 cents, but I don't know. I kind of thought it was pretty cool. Thought you guys might like to see this up close. Wow. Hey, if you are interested in this, pass it along to your friends, okay? I'm getting like 0 hits on this and makes me think that maybe nobody's interested. Anyway, W1VLF out. 73.